If you have a 401k or other type of retirement plan, you know that the stock market fluctuations can affect your bottom line when it comes to your particular plan. Lately, the market has been up and down, so what does this volatility mean for your particular retirement options? Well, Garrison the Third from Preservation Financial is here this morning to help us navigate the troubled waters of Wall Street. Davis, appreciate you being here today.
Thanks for having me, Chris.
You check on a lot of advisors on the stock market and all the volatility that's going on there. What plan how do y'all deal with that at your firm, all this volatility in the stock market?
Well, one of my favorite advisors is Mohammed El Arian. He is the Chief Economic Advisor for Allianz, which is a multinational financial services firm, one of the top 20 largest firms on the world. Mm-hmm. And one thing that he says is that the root, basically, of what's going on in the market right now and what we need to be cautious about is what's going on in China. And China's market lost 30% in one week. They deflated their currency, which affects us, our imports, and it makes it harder for us to compete with them. It's also bleeding over into the emerging markets. There is one group of countries called the BRICS, B-R-I-C-S. Brazil is one of the countries in that. Brazil claimed bankruptcy, but that's Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. And so the whole situation is bleeding all over the
global
world,
Mm-hmm.
and it's coming on the negative side to us. But he says there is a silver lining. He said investors they need to be more nimble because the market is so volatile right now that it presents an opportunity to buy at very low prices. It also presents an opportunity when the market's up to go trade up in quality. We utilize tactical, actively managed private wealth managers that are able to move out of the market to cash when the market's trending down, move back into the market when the market's trending up. And I brought some statistics. One of our funds went to cash totally July 24th of 2015. And I wanted to share what has happened with the market since then. Since July 24th, 2015, the S&P 500 has dropped 7.14%. The Dow is down 6.63%. The NASDAQ down 8.33%. Healthcare down 11.43%. Energy down 10.6%. Materials down 10.3%. Financials down 9.14%. Technology down 5.8%. Industrials down 5.22%. Consumer discretionary 5.14%. Consumer staples down 4.92%. Utilities is the only sector that was up, and they were up 0.98%.
So not even a full percent.
Not even a full percent.
When folks come in and they have questions, they see this volatility in the market and they're worried about their investments. What do you do to alleviate those fears for them?
Basically, the first meeting is a meeting to get to know them, mm-hmm. and them to get to know me, and I share with them the techniques and strategies that we use to keep them out of harm's way. We have strategies that only participate in the up market. They cannot participate in the downside market, in addition to the active wealth managers that we use. And so we get to know them, then I analyze what they currently have in their second meeting, show them the red flags, whatever. If it's good, bad, indifferent, I'll tell them. And then in the third meeting, I will offer recommendations, 2 or 3 recommendations to take them out of harm's way, or as we call it in the industry, to de-risk their portfolio.
The market, really quickly, we're running out of time, but I really want to get your take on this. The market, you think it's going to continue to drop a little bit, or you think it's going to come back up? What is your prediction?
Everything I read, everything I hear, we are in a very dangerous situation right now. We are looking at another potential of 2007, 2008.
All right.
if not more so.
All right, Davis Garrison Third, thank you so much for some, you know, there's a silver lining out there. You just got to look for it. And they can help you look for that silver lining at Preservation Financial. It's Davis Garrison III. They're there on Sunset Drive at Suite 113 in Johnson City. They can help you get on the way. Whether you're retiring, whatever you want to do, they can help you with your money problems today.